In today's video, I will walk you through how to create an account on PocketSmith. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open your web browser and visit the official PocketSmith website. Once you land on the home page, you'll see an overview of what the platform offers, including tools for tracking your spending, managing your income, and viewing financial forecasts. Take a moment to scroll down a bit so you can see more of the features like graphs, calendars, and dashboards that help organize your finances. Next, look for the plans and pricing section on the website. This is where PocketSmith shows the different subscription options available. If you're new, go ahead and choose the free plan, which gives you access to the basic features like limited accounts, budgeting tools, and manual tracking. After selecting the free option, you'll be taken to the Signup page. Here, you'll need to enter a username, your email address, and create a password. You'll also be asked to select your time zone so the platform can display your financial data accurately. There may also be an optional checkbox to receive tips, which you can enable or skip depending on your preference. Once you've filled in all the required details, make sure to accept the terms of service. Then go ahead and complete the sign-up process. After submitting your information, your PocketSmith account will be created and ready for you to start using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.